Okay, we're back to still twiddling our fingers with the Dow. I mean, across the board, almost a wide open buy. And somebody's selling. Ugh, never learn. Still have our 375 point zigzag up leg that we're hoping any day now is going to break. 15-minute, 30-minute, and a 60-minute. All same zigzag leg. All of them way overdue. Let's look at the Dow. Here we are. And of course, you know how the markets are. It's an arm wrestle. You know, which one of us is going to give up first? Here's that 375 point leg. And all I wanted was for it to fall down here, and I'd have been happy. Bounce back up. I'd have been out. But I wanted to bounce back up and then fall back down and make that little head and shoulders thing everybody talks about. Now, some people might say, oh, yeah, well, that's a head and shoulders. You know, he just kind of lopsided. Well, might be lopsided, but I'm $200 in a darn hole because of it. Let's look at the, what do I want? I want the bad news first. Here's the Dow. $60 per account, and there's only two accounts here, so it's $125. Now that's 90. You know how that goes. It might be 300 in the hole here in a second. But here again, we have our little stochastic. It almost looks like a little head and shoulders guy, you know. We see what we want to see, but I just want to see it fall. If it gets down, that's one thing. Here is my on Tradeovate. This is a new platform for me. I've only been using it now for about 7 days or something. I noticed it combines your orders like at that blue line. So my average price is $38.81, and so once it falls below that, I'll be making money. Above that, I'm losing money. And here, am I on the right thing? Yeah. So, and to be honest with you, with those others, I did so good on those others. You know, if this thing makes any kind of darn money, it's only two accounts. If I can make $50 in each account, it's a goner. You know, I'll whack it second, going about my business. I really felt that it was going to come down to like in this area here. You know, that was the kind of the little head and shoulders thing. This would be the best case scenario because we're running out of daylight here. It's 10:42 now. It's 11 o'clock. We only have you have to close your trades. I'm closing mine by 3. They want them closed by 4, 5 Eastern New York time, you know. 5. I'm closing mine by 3 or 2 or something like that. So I really kind of want to be done with this. And then after I close everything, I go back through and try to close everything again just to make sure, because you sure don't want to blow everything just because of one doggone account. I mean, because of one little goofy order or something. This thing here, this is my take profit, and I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. So that's gone now. I don't have to worry about that, because what will happen is sometimes I've noticed if I don't stay aware, and you have to stay aware on this nonsense, I might go ahead and close it and then and forget that I had this profit target down here, and that thing might get filled. So that's why usually when I close something, I click the exit, market, and cancel all. And it's supposed to cancel them all, but you better make sure. You know, I do it 3 or 4 times. Wear that darn button out. This Dow's about to wear me out.